Hi, mathematicians. The topic we will be covering for the next couple of weeks, inequalities, are very, very important to real life because in real life, typically we don't have exact values or just one value that would work for a situation. For example, when you're driving, roads have a speed limit, and a speed limit means how fast you're allowed to drive. If you drive too fast, the police will give you a ticket, which will end up costing you money for a fine if you drive too fast. So to avoid having to pay a fine, Sam must make sure that he does not drive faster than 65 miles per hour. So if X represents Sam's speed, he will not get a ticket if he drives exactly equal to 65. So the way we represent that in an inequality is we put a part of an equal sign underneath the inequality, and then he has to drive either exactly 65 miles per hour or less than 65 miles per hour. So the inequality to represent this situation would be X is less than or equal to 65. I think I said that wrong. Let me say that one more time. Sam's speed, X, is less than or equal to 65. So even though in real life you might not actually write an inequality with the symbols, being able to think about inequalities is very, very important in real life. In this example, Sam wants to make enough money to buy these shoes, and these shoes cost $150. So we would start the inequality by saying that Sam wants to earn $150. He'll meet his goal if he makes exactly $150 to earn the money for the shoes. But Sam isn't going to be mad if he earns more than $150. So the inequality would open this way to say that the amount of money Sam earns could be more than or equal to $150. Making a budget where you have to decide how much money you need for different items is a very real world idea that we use inequalities for all the time. So today's learning topic is very important because there are so many different ways that you can use it in real life. So today's learning topic, you're going to be successful if you are able by the end of the day to write an inequality from a situation. So please take the time now to pause the video and write today's learning goal. So right here in the purple, and please write it underneath your learning goal. On the sheet that I gave you at the very beginning of class, write it right here under goal, and then I will come around and stamp to verify that you've completed this task. Now please check Google Classroom for the next task.